Inflammation is an immune reaction. It's not just about treating a pathogen or some virus or bacteria. The problem is when inflammation goes on too long, that's when we get all sorts of problems, like cancer. Cancer tends to invade areas of inflammation. And anytime we have inflammation, we also have a lack of oxygen. And both inflammation and hypoxia causes cancer to grow more aggressively. If someone has fibromyalgia through the entire body, it's usually not coming from the gallbladder. It's usually coming from a virus that has come out of remission. Epstein-Barr virus, shingles, another one is the herpes viruses, and all those viruses come out when your immune system is weak. And vitamin D does two things. It'll increase the immune system or bring down the immune system if your immune system is overactive. So it's the ultimate solution for both problems. When you have leaky gut or bleeding gums, what happens is certain microbes can get into the body, go into the bloodstream, and create a lot of problems. One of the things that can create gingivitis is a severe vitamin C deficiency because you're eating too much sugar or carbs, and then you start getting a breakdown in the collagen. The microbes are there to help build up this mucus layer to kind of create a barrier. If those microbes are missing because you took an antibiotic, now we don't have that protective layer, and now we have an imbalance between the good bacteria and the bad bacteria. We get an overgrowth, and then we have all sorts of issues with the gut. Another big one is just consuming junk food. I'm really talking about sugar, and I'm not talking about just regular sugar. I'm talking about the junky, industrial, synthetic sugars. And then we have something else, which is interesting. It's a hidden sugar. It's actually a starch, modified corn starch, modified food starch, maltodextrin. And an average person consumes over 150 pounds of this stuff every single year. It'll spike your blood sugar super high and it will keep you inflamed. I said sugar, starch, and seed oils. Next one is having too much visceral fat. That's the fat around the organs. If you consume too much sugar, starch, or seed oil, is you start developing insulin resistance. Insulin is not going in the fat cell. All that fat now is stored outside the fat cell. And that's all the fat in your liver, around your organs. Next one, autoimmune diseases are even more common than heart disease and cancer.